Working with Perla Lichi was amazing. We bought a house that needed a tremendous amount of work.
I bought this property to be an investment property, but after sitting down with Perla and seeing all the designs, I fell in love with the place and I decided to keep it.
We're going to definitely keep it.
Huh?
We're going to keep the beach home. We're keeping it.
Keep them. You have to keep this, so if someone doesn't want to go.
Perla, the ceilings are just, and look at look how the light matches in the bed, in the back of the bed. Oh, Perla, stunning! It is stunning.
Not only listening to what we said, but keeping things within budget, and just her creativity was fantastic. And so when it came part to do the major parts of the job, which would be redoing our bedroom and our bathroom and our kitchen, we literally didn't come down for months and months and months, which all of our friends and family thought we were crazy. But the bottom line is we trusted Perla, and the touches that Perla added in along the way are just things, it exceeded our expectations. And when we walked into the house for the very first time, thank you, Perla. We appreciate everything you did for us.
I am excited about this new adventure that we are doing with Perla. She's doing an amazing job. I just stopped by just to take a look and I'm excited. The ceiling, where when you walk in, you basically can see the ocean, and the height of the ocean looks a lot taller and it brings a lot more in. Also the columns, looking at the columns where the mirrors, they reflect off of one another to where you can capture more of the ocean and everything going on in the apartment. My wife, when she seen the design, she was ecstatic. She loved everything. All the renderings, everything that you put together looked beautiful. And she was very excited and couldn't wait for it to be done. And she's looking forward to moving in as quick as possible.
I don't follow trends, I set them. They catch my vibe, then try to get them. Vision so clear, can't forget them. When I walk in the room, respect them. I don't follow trends, I set them. They catch my vibe, then try to get them. Vision so clear, can't forget them. When I walk in the room, respect them. Step in the light, the floor's my stage. Timeless taste, not a digital age. Tailored lines, cut with intent. Every step says I'm the event. Flash of silk, whisper of gold. Design so fresh, they never get old. No imitation, no pretense. I live my brand, I am the sense. They ask, whose style that? I smile and grin, I don't wear the look. I make the trend begin, you don't meet just style. I notice things, whoa. I don't follow trends, I set them. They catch my vibe, then try to get them. Vision so clear, can't forget them. When I walk in the room, respect them. I don't follow trends, I set them. They catch my vibe, then try to get them. Vision so clear, can't forget them. When I walk in the room, respect them.
Runway rhythm, boardroom grace. I move with elegance, I own my space. Fashion's pulse beats in my tone. Luxury crafted mind, full grown. No blueprint fits my frame of mind. I color outside, redefine. While they look back, I'm steps ahead.
I love it. I love it. I don't even, Perla, I'm blown away. I am blown away. I love it, love it, love it. I can't.
I love you.
Oh my God, Perla.
Just give her an idea and let her go.
Give me drama, give me gold, give me design and never gets old. They say fashion starts on the runway, but darling, Perla brings it home every day. Dolce dreams and velvet tone, Versace vibes and marble stone, Chanel chic, pearls and light, a mirrored hallway dressed in white, Prada whispers sleek and clean, Lichi turns her space to a scene, from fabric to finish, couture to chrome, Perla makes fashion your home. Oh, so good to me, chandelier shine, every curve and line, perfectly divine, Condo so fast, threads or towels, she designs the rhythm, curates and style. Give me designer, everything looks enriching. Dolce, Versace, with Perla makes me turning my space into chic and pretty. Give me designer, so polished, posh and ritzy. Wishing the jury's ritzy. Hollywood glam in every hue, mirrors, crystal, silver too.